When it comes to make money online, there are tons of ways that you can do so. One of those ways is having a classified ads website. If you go on Google and you type classified ads USA, there's a ton of results. See, you can go pages and pages, you will find a ton of classified ads websites. Let's visit some of them. Okay, you see, I'm pretty sure you have already visited one of those websites. For example, cars. Okay, this one is pretty basic, not too attractive. Let's see this one. Another one, nothing special there. Nothing special there. Let's see a third one. Okay. Okay, you see, there's room to have some improvement. There are so many websites out there for classified ads, but not attractive. You don't even want to post your things out there. Now, if we do the same exercise in Canada, classified ads Canada, you see again there's a ton of results for this particular search. Now, one of the biggest website for classified ads in Canada is Kijiji. Kijiji, compared to the other ones we have visited in USA, you will see it's way better. It looks way better, more attractive, more options, and you're gonna see the way they are making their money. Let's take a look at their homepage. Now, as you can see, they are monetizing their website in different ways. Ads from Google Adsense, advertising spots, homepage gallery. People are paying to be on the top right there. You have some banners. Again, once you hit the search, for example, we are gonna search for Honda Civic, or maybe something else, the service. You're gonna look for plumber. Now, in the results, you will see that they have again banner ads from Google. They have sponsor ad on the top, and you have the results below. There are so many ways to make money with the classified ad website. Now, what we want is to build our own classified ad website, but will we do it from scratch? No, I have a better idea. I have used this template before. It's made on WordPress. It's made on WordPress, and basically it's a done-for-you website where you can have your fully optimized classified ad website, fully optimized for mobile and desktop, and you don't have to do nothing. It's one-click install. You have people page, user profile, blogs, home page, mobile app view, so it looks like an app when people go to your website with a mobile device. You have a bunch of features out there and you can monetize this website pretty easy. The same way I've explained to you on the Kijiji website, you can do the same thing with this one. Online reservation, booking. You have a ton of features in this website. You can put your payment gateway, Stripe, PayPal, Skrill. So let's see a demo. Now I'm on the demo page. As you can see, everything is beautifully designed. You have a top feature ads. People can pay to be on the top on the home page, and here you can have multiple cities, and people can select their cities, or they can be redirected to the nearest city if you set it up this way. Now you have your categories, your banner ads can be there. Once you apply to be able to have Google ads on your website, you can replace these banners with Google Adsense banners. This is one way to monetize this website. You can have banner ads from Google Adsense. The second way, you can have banners, but now from people. They can send you their banners and you can make them pay per month to be there, or per week. It depends the way you want to set up your pricing. The third way is to have people featured on the top of the website on the home page. Okay, and then there's a fourth way. I don't know if we can see it here. Okay, so here on the listings, you can set up people to be featured before the other ones on the result page. So there are so many ways you can make money having your own classified ad website. You can even do something like this. Instead of having a national classified ad website, you can instead have something more like classified ads Philadelphia, classified ads Toronto, classified ads New York, specifically for your city. So it will be easier to stand out from the crowd, because nobody's thinking about doing a local classified ad website for their city. So if you want to make money faster, instead of having to compete with tons of people building classified ads for the whole country, you can have your classified ads but only for your particular city. I will leave in the link below the link to go and see the demo. This one, if you want to have this template, let's see if we go and buy it now. If you have it for one domain, it's 99 bucks. So you invest 99 bucks, and there's a special right now if you take advantage. I don't know when you will see this video, but right now there's an offer at 40% off, so you will pay only $60 to have your own classified ad website. It's one-click install. I've already used it. I'm making money with AdSense and other ways to monetize this website already, so it's really easy to install. If you click on the button below to subscribe and follow me, I will soon post a video where you can install this template from scratch. You will see it's really easy. Now, the next thing you want to do, once it's installed, you want to have Google to advertise on your website. This is the first way you can make money, and this is the easiest way. All you have to do is to type Google AdSense on Google. You will reach that page, and you see you value content. Creating content takes time, making it profitable shouldn't. So all you have to do, once you are approved, it's easy. You put the banners. I will show you on another video how you can again install these banners on your website. It's really simple. All you have to do is subscribe. It's free. So you put your city, country and city, what niche you are, and that's it. Once you are approved, you'll be able to create your banners and then post them on your classified ad website. Then instead of having these banners right there, you can put banners right there before and after your post, and once people are clicking on your banners, you are making money. Every time people are clicking, they don't have to buy anything. The only fact that they are clicking on your ads, that's it, you are making money. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was pretty short compared to the other one, but I think this is valuable information. Remember that you have to take action. Without action, your dream will always remain a dream. Take action, my friend. Don't just listen to these videos and go and sleep. You will always be at the same position as you are right now. So now, I would appreciate if you could leave a thumbs up if you have learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to make money online or offline, and put the notification bell on, so once I put some related video how to install these themes, you will be alert and you will never miss one of my videos. Until next time, have a super great day. Thanks for watching.